Alright, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Bought the spark plugs and the brand new spark plugs fitted to the car. Bank 2. This is bank 1. Ignition coils back on, everything's all torqued up. I've got the exhaust mufflers on the side still off. I'm just going to crank the car up. I've topped up the actual power steering. So I'm going to crank the engine, make sure it starts first, and then I'll put everything back together. I already erased the faults, everything else before I sound. So let's just crank the engine over and see if it starts. And then from there, if it starts, then I'll just start assembling everything, all the coolant hoses and all that stuff. And do the vacuum plate, the cooling system, and then fill it up, alright? But for now, trying to see if it starts. Alright. Alright, I'll turn you a quick start. Everything is good, so all I gotta do now is probably next week on Monday I'll start assembling the cooling hoses, AC compressor lines and things like that on top and underneath, and vacuum plate the system, make sure it doesn't run it. I think I'm going to change the oil on this car here and the actual filter while I'm here, so it's nice and fresh before it goes back, because a lot of rubbish was going inside of the actual intake. So I'm going to do that just in case. Actually, let me check the oil pressure. I'll crank it up one more time and let's have a look at the oil pressure. It's very important. This one here, this guy here is very important. It should go up to number 5 bar as soon as the car starts up, because it's cold. Well, that's good, 2 bar. I've got no worries whatsoever, but I'm going to change the oil no matter what. There's a lot of debris was inside the actual intake manifold. I don't want that to go into the actual I'm not sure how clean or how dirty the oil is. I'm just going to clean it anyway. I'll put new oil, fresh filter, new start. Alright? Thanks for watching and please subscribe.